All right, we are back at camp and got another little surprise. We're going to jump on the golf cart and go for a little ride to the local Publix. There's golf carts up here too. This is cool. Boy, I would forget something every day if I lived next to something like this right here. To ride the golf cart to the grocery store. Hell no. Damn, is there a parking spot?
Got him every trade on it.
Hell yeah. What?
You watching the football this weekend or you ain't no football? It'll be on.
Yeah. I'm more of a
Okay. Oh.
I like this.
Oh my God, I'm about to fall out. I ain't heard that.
Yo, camera.
But I root for the Bulldogs.
Why? What did I do?
Really? Steelers? Oh, you won.
Oh,
Oh, no. Yeah, we won.
ew.
Oh, yeah. Justin Fields. Yeah.
Oh, we twins. We Capricorn twins.
Really?
Yeah.
Look at that.
So we got some Miller Lite. Where the party at?
Camper.
Okay.
Right next door.
Okay. I got it.
It's at your house. We don't know what happened.
Hey, I'm coming to your house.